Can you all hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So the answering order will be Adrit, Advika, Aishwarya, Anvit, Deepika, Tarakeshwaran, and Sritej. Repeating the order: Adrit, Anvika, Aishwarya, Anvit, Deepika, Tarakeshwaran, and Sritej. Okay. All right. First question. Fish absorbs oxygen from water through their dash.
Gills.
Gills. Okay. Next person. Pines, deodar, and oak tree. They are plants that is found mostly in which region? Is it found in desert or in plains or in mountains? Advika. Advika. Advika, am I audible to you? Next person.
I can hear you. Can you repeat it?
Pines, deodar, and oak tree are plants that is found in which region? Is it deserts, plains, or mountains?
Pines are found in deserts.
Pines are found in desert.
No. Oak trees are found in mountains.
Okay, so all of them are found in mountains only. Okay, they're not found in deserts and all.
Yes.
Okay, next person. During photosynthesis, which gas is released? Anvit,
Wait, ma'am, can you tell the question again? I didn't hear you.
all of you turn your cameras on, everybody please. During photosynthesis, which gas is released?
Synthesis. No, carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide.
Released. Okay, who is after Anvit?
Wait, what?
Who is supposed to answer after Anvit?
Me.
Okay, is his answer correct?
Ma'am, no, ma'am. Carbohydrate is not released.
He said carbon
Ma'am, I
dioxide.
told carbon dioxide.
Yeah, carbon dioxide is not released. Sorry.
What is released instead?
Oxygen.
Oxygen. Got it? And with it's oxygen. Okay, so during photosynthesis, oxygen is only released. Okay, Deepika. One minute. Okay. Which of the following is an abiotic factor? Producer, decomposer, consumer, or air?
Ma'am,
Wait,
can you repeat the question?
it's Deepika's turn, okay? Which one of the following is an abiotic factor? Is it producer, consumer, decomposer, or air?
Ma'am, after Anvit was me, right?
Yeah, it's your turn.
But I answered Anvit question, right?
But this question is for you.
Okay, ma'am. Can you repeat?
Which one of the following is an abiotic factor of the environment? Is it producer, decomposer, consumer, or air?
Ma'am,
You don't know?
I don't have idea.
Okay, you want me to go to the next person? Who's after Deepika? Who is after Deepika? Clarification,
Ma'am,
it's you, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, answer.
Ma'am, can you repeat the question?
How many times? Please listen, guys. Which one of the following is an abiotic factor? Is it producer, decomposer, consumer, or air?
Ma'am, yeah.
Air, very good. Because abiotic means living, abiotic means non-living. Air doesn't have life. And what's with your camera, Advika? What happened to your camera? Can you turn it on? Okay.
Ma'am,
Yeah, you never answered your question. Can you answer it?
ma'am, I want to say that on 5th, sorry, ma'am, on 6th, I have my PT one for science. Ma'am, can you revise my chapters?
I was already audible and clear to you. We have to consider other students also, right? That's what we're doing right now. We're asking questions and we're revising. You should be able to answer the questions by now. Can you answer the question? Tell me any one animal's name that lives in the mountains. Advika, I'm asking you only. Can you answer, Advika? Name any one animal that lives in the mountains.
Ma'am, yeah.
Okay, very good. Okay. Sritej. Moving of animals from one place to another, and then they settle there and they sleep for a long period of time. This process is called what?
Ma'am, is it due to coldness or like hot?
Tell it me for both of them.
Ma'am, like I have to say both of them?
No, I'm just telling you, due to the general question is due to weather conditions, animals
And, ma'am, hibernation.
hibernation. Very good. Okay. The first person,
Yes, ma'am.
organisms that obtain their food from others are called
Can
consumers, producers, or scavengers.
can
Sorry.
can you
Organisms that obtain their food from others are called consumers, producers, or scavengers.
consumers?
Consumers, very good. Because we consume food from other organisms. Okay. Next person. Which of the following cannot be called as a habitat? Who is after Adrit?
No.
Sadvika, right?
Ma'am, ma'am, can you say the options?
Yeah. Is it a desert with camels, a pond with fishes, a jungle with wild animals, or cultivated land with grazing cattle?
Ma'am, option D.
Option D. Yeah, it's cultivated land with grazing cattle because that land is only for cultivation, not for the purpose of living. So it cannot be a habitat. Very good. Next person after Advika.
Yes, ma'am.
Ram comes across an animal which has a streamlined and slippery body. What is the habitat of the animal?
Ma'am, the habitat is it's an aquatic animal.
Aquatic. Very good. Okay. Next person. Earthworms breathe through their dash.
Ma'am,
Earthworms breathe through their dash.
ma'am, I joined 5 minutes ago, ma'am. You are not asking me.
Oh, okay, okay. Okay, you can answer this question.
Ma'am, by skin.
Skin. Okay. So just remember your order. You're answering after Aishwarya, okay? Who is actually supposed to answer after Aishwarya?
Ma'am,
So you will be after Ashwat, okay? Okay. Which of the following is the correct option for plants? Respiration takes place only during daytime. Respiration takes place only during nighttime. Respiration takes place both during day and night. For plants,
Respiration takes place both during
day and night.
yeah.
Yeah, it's right. Very good. Okay. After Anvit, next person. Which of the following is the incorrect statement? Excretion takes place in plants. Excretion is the process of getting rid of excess water only. Excretion takes place both in plants and animals. Yeah, that's it.
Ma'am, only 3 options.
Yep.
Ma'am, option A.
Excretion takes place in plants. You want me to repeat the options?
Yes, ma'am, once.
Okay. Option A, excretion takes place in plants. Option B, excretion is the process of getting rid of excess water only. Option C, excretion takes place both in plants and animals.
Ma'am, option B.
Option B. Yeah, it's right. Okay, very good. Because it's not only excess water, you're also getting rid of all the solid waste from your body. Okay. Okay. Which of the following options is not associated with reproduction? Who is after Deepika?
Ma'am, me.
Okay. Option A, a new leaf coming out of a tree branch. Option B, a dog giving birth to a puppy. Option C, a seed growing into a plant. Option D, a chick hatching from an egg.
Ma'am, option A.
A new leaf coming out of a tree branch. Yeah, okay, very good. Of course, a new leaf coming out of a tree branch is not reproduction, because reproduction in plants is only when the shoot grows, not when the leaves and fruits and all grow. Okay. Choose the odd one out after Tarakeshwari. Who is it?
Ma'am,
Okay. Eggs of a hen, that is option A. Option B is seeds of plant. Option C, buds of potato. Option D, roots of mango tree.
Ma'am, I need to spot the odd one out.
Yep. You want me to repeat it?
Ma'am, can you?
Yeah. So choose the odd one out from the following. Option A, eggs of hen. Option B, seeds of plant. Option C, buds of potato. Option D, roots of a mango tree.
Option D.
Roots of mango tree. Very good. Because the rest of the options is all associated to what? Why did you think D is odd? Yes, Sritej, I'm asking you. What are you searching? Sritej?
Oh, yes, ma'am. My mic wasn't working that time. Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am, what?
Why did you think it's option D?
Ma'am, because the other options have reproduced the things.
Very good. All of them are related to reproduction, but this option is not. Okay. After Sritej,
Yes, ma'am.
although organisms die, their kind continues to live on Earth. Which characteristic of living organisms makes this possible?
I don't know.
Okay, next person.
Ma'am, reproduction.
Reproduction. Very good. Because only when you reproduce, there will be organisms on Earth. Okay. One minute.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The surrounding where organisms live is called a
Habitat.
habitat. Very good. Next person. Mm, which of the following is an abiotic component? Dog, trees, rocks, bacteria.
Rock.
Rocks, very good. Okay. Next person. In a cactus, the leafy structure is actually a dash. Is it a leaf? Is it a root? Is it a flower? Is it a stem? Anvit, it's your turn, right?
Ma'am, can you repeat?
In a cactus plant, the leafy structure is actually called the leaf, the root, the flower, or the stem. Like you can see thorns,
Root.
thorny structures you can see on
Flower.
the,
I think flower.
I think it's flower.
Yeah.
Okay, who's after Anvit?
After me,
Yeah, who's after you?
Deepika.
Deepika, is his answer correct?
Ma'am, can you repeat?
In a cactus, the leafy, thorny structure is called a dash. Is it the leaf, the root, the flower, or stem? He said it's
Ma'am, can you
flower.
just repeat the question once?
In a cactus plant, the leafy, thorny structure is actually called a dash.
The stem, ma'am.
The stem. Yeah, obviously, it's a stem. Good. Got it, Anvit? It's not a flower, it's a stem.
Yeah.
After Deepika, living organisms throw body wastes from its body. This process is called?
Ma'am, can you give options?
No, no options for this. It's a fill in the blanks question. Living organisms throw body wastes from its body by a process called dash? No idea. Okay, next person.
Excretion.
Excretion. Very good. It's a very simple question, no? You should be able to answer this. Okay. Okay, looks like you're pretty much aware of all the questions from living organisms and the surrounding. Now the questions will be from body movements.
Ma'am, will the class end at 7:10 or 7 only?
We'll be at 7 now because I have next class.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, first question, first person.
Yes, ma'am.
The hollow bone and wings are adaptive features of which animal?
Ma'am, can you repeat?
The hollow bone and wings are adaptive features of which animal? Very good. Next person. Which among the animals do you think has the slowest motion? Earthworm, snail, or ant?
Ma'am, can you repeat?
Which of the following has the slowest motion? Earthworm, snail, ant.
Ma'am, earthworm.
Okay. Next person.
Ma'am, snail.
Snail. It's not an earthworm. Advika.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. After Anvit, what are produced in the bone marrow? Who's after Anvit? It's supposed to be Ashwath and then Anvit, right? Ashwath, answer.
Yes, ma'am. Can you repeat, ma'am?
What are produced in the bone marrow?
Red blood cells.
Very good, red blood cells. Okay. Next person. Who is the next person? When I'm actually telling next person, that person, please like unmute your mic so I'll know it's your turn. Who's actually after Anvit?
Ma'am, it's Deepika.
I'm here, ma'am.
Okay. Rib cage protects which organs?
The lungs and heart.
Very good. The lungs and the heart. Excellent. Okay. Next person. Which part of the body help in the movement?
Ma'am, legs.
Let me tell you the option. Option A, organ and skin. Option B, muscle and skin. Option C, muscle and bone. Option D, organ and bone.
Ma'am, muscle and bone.
Okay, very good. Okay. Next person.
Yes, ma'am.
1 minute. Excuse me. Okay. How many muscles work together to move a single bone? Is it 1, 2, 3, or 4?
Ma'am, 4.
No. Next person.
Ma'am, can you repeat the question?
Guys, I'm already having severe cough. Please don't make me repeat the question 100 times. Maybe one person can't answer, the question will somehow come to you. So please concentrate even if it's not your turn. How many muscles work together to move a single bone? Is it 1, 2, 3, or 4?
Two.
2. Very good. It's 2. Okay. Because minimum of 2 bones is required in the movement of a bone. One is for pushing and the other is for pulling. Okay. Okay. So keep that in mind. Okay. Snail. Next person. Snail moves with the help of option A, whole body. Option B, muscular foot. Option C, shell. Option D, bone.
Ma'am, can you repeat the option once?
Option A, muscular foot. Option B, whole body. Option C, shell. Option D, bone.
Ma'am, whole body.
Whole body. Okay, next person. Who's after Adhika?
Ma'am, it's Aishwarya.
Ishwarya. Ishwarya, am I audible to you? After Aishwarya?
Ma'am, me.
Yeah. Is Advika's answer correct?
No, ma'am.
What is the correct answer?
Muscular foot.
Very good. It's the muscular foot. Got it, Advika? It's not
Yes.
the whole body. Okay, the foot only you'll walk. No, you'll walk with your whole body. No, right?
No, actually, it's. I thought that its whole body, like it moves, so it
That
could
doesn't
be.
work like that. Okay. Even you walk with your legs, but your whole body moves, right? So you're walking with your whole body? No, right? So it works like that. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. After Ashwath, which of the following organisms do not have a bone? I think it's Anvit's turn. Is it earthworm, bird, fish, or cockroach?
Ma'am, cockroach.
Cockroach. Okay. Sure.
Yeah.
Okay. Who's after Anvit?
Ma'am.
Ma'am, earthworm.
Correct.
Actually,
Okay, fine. Earthworm. Earthworm, you know that it's full of muscles. There's no bones. Okay. Okay. Wait, Deepika, your question's loading. Okay. Listen carefully. Underwater divers, they wear fin-like flippers on their feet. What is this used for? Why do they wear it?
Ma'am, it's used. It's if we wear it's helps in
Yeah, tell me, it's correct.
swimming. There's the web like feet.
It helps in swimming. That's it. That's it.
Yeah.
Okay. Don't panic. Okay. Your answer is correct. Okay. So it helps them to swim easily in water. Very good. Okay. Next person. Okay. Fine. Okay. Ram kicks a football. This is due to the action of dash. Is it hip? Is it toes? Is it knees? Or none of these?
Ma'am, can you repeat the options?
Hip, toes, knees, none of these.
Ma'am, hit.
Hip, hip. I said hip.
Oh, okay. None of this, ma'am.
None of these. Okay. Who's after Tarakeshwari?
Ma'am,
Is this answer correct?
ma'am, can you repeat the question? I think I can't hear your voice properly.
Ram kicks a football. This is due to the action of dash. Is it hip, HIP? Or is it toes, or is it knees or none of these?
Ma'am, toes?
Toes. He's able to kick because of his toes. Okay. After Sritej?
Ma'am, me.
Yeah. Is the answer correct?
Ma'am, is it knees?
So his answer is wrong. Are you saying his answer is wrong?
Yes.
Okay. It's actually knees. Okay. Your knees is the joint that fixes your lower toe. There are people who are physically challenged, those who do not have toes, and they're still able to play. Okay. So it's the movement of the lower part, that is the toe region, everything is all attached to the knee. So it's the knee that moves back and forth. Okay. Okay. After Adrit,
Mom, it's me,
Yes.
Advika.
tell me an animal where legs for movement is absent.
Mom, snake.
Snake. Very good. Okay. Next person. Bristles under the body help which of the following organisms in movement? Bristles under the body help which of the following organisms in the movement? Option A, snake. Option B, fish. Option C, earthworm. Option D, birds.
Ma'am, it's a snake.
Snake has bristles. Earthworm has bristles.
No, ma'am, snakes.
So snake has bristles. Tell me anyone. Okay, I'll fix it the last option, which is snake. Okay, which might be correct or wrong. That the next person has to find out. Who's after Aishwarya?
Sir, ma'am, me.
Yeah. Is her answer correct or wrong? Snake.
No, ma'am.
Okay, what is the correct answer then? You may repeat the option.
What, ma'am?
Should I repeat the option? Tell me the correct answer.
Ma'am, repeat, please.
Bristles under the body of which following organisms help in the movement? Option A, snake. Option B, fish. Option C, earthworm. Option D, birds. Aishwarya said snake. Is it correct or wrong?
Ma'am, I don't know.
Okay, next person.
Mom, I think it's snake.
Snake.
No, wait, earthworm.
Earthworm.
it's-
Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, who's after Anvit? Who's after Anvit?
Ma'am, me?
Yeah. So is Anvit's answer correct? Can be right, can be wrong.
Ma'am, I also think it's earthworm. He's correct.
Okay, very good. Earthworm is correct. Okay. Good job, Anvit. Okay. Fine. But you still have a question, Deepika. Okay. Modification of the outer skeleton into plates for movement is seen in which of the following organisms? I'm repeating the question. Modification of the outer skeleton into plates for movement is seen in which of the following organisms? Option A, earthworm. Option B, it's Deepika's question. Option A,
I see him rejoining.
okay. Option A, earthworm. Option B, cockroach. Option C, fish. Option D, snail.
1 second, ma'am. Ma'am, can you just repeat the question once?
Yeah, sure. The modification of the outer skeleton into plates for movement is seen in which of the following organism?
Ma'am, fish.
Fish. Why is it fish?
Ma'am, you said plates.
Yeah, fish
So
has
I
plates.
got scales in my mind and I think it's fish. Yes, I'm sure that it's fish.
Okay. Who's after Deepika? Tarakeshwaran?
Yes, ma'am.
Is her answer correct?
Ma'am, I don't know, ma'am.
Okay, next person.
Ma'am, can you repeat the question?
Hey, it's the fourth time I'm repeating it. Listen. The modification of the outer skeleton into plates for movement is seen in which of the following organism? Option A, earthworm. Option B, cockroach. Option C, fish. Option D, snail.
Ma'am, cockroach.
Cockroach. Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Why do you think it's cockroach?
Ma'am, because below the cockroach it has a endoskeleton. So,
Okay. Okay, very good. Cockroach is the correct answer. Got it, Deepika? Plates do not refer to scales. Plates are different, scales are different. Okay. All right. Very good, Shritesh. Okay. Uh, next person.
Yes.
How do snakes move? Option A, they have legs. Option B, they use their whole body to slide. Option C, both A and B. Option D, none of these.
Ma'am, they have ma'am option B.
Option B. Okay, very good. Okay. Next person. Earthworms move due to the action of dash. Option A, bones. Option B, muscles. Option C, bones and muscles. Option D, cartilage. Who is after Adrit? Aishwarya, is it you?
No, ma'am.
Who's after Adrit?
Advika.
Advika? She didn't rejoin itself. Okay, after Advika?
I think it's muscles. Muscles and
Muscles. Very good. Because we know that there is no bones in the earthworm. Okay. Okay, next person. The bending of arm to touch the shoulder with the fingers is due to the action of dash. I'm repeating the question. The bending of an arm to touch the shoulder with the fingers is due to the action of dash. Option A, shoulder. Option B, elbow. Option C, wrist. Option D, arm. Whose turn is it? Yeah, what's the option?
ma'am, shoulder.
Shoulder. Okay. Who's after
Ma'am?
Ashwat?
Ma'am,
Yes, Adya, you're finally connected.
elbow.
Your camera is now working, Adya. Am I audible to you, Adya?
Yeah, ma'am, you're all audible.
What happened to your camera?
I don't know, ma'am.
Okay, can you answer this question? If Ashwat answered it right, can you tell me?
Ma'am,
Yes. Do you want me to repeat the question, Adya?
yes, ma'am.
Okay. The bending of arm to touch the shoulder with the fingers is due to the action of dash. Is it shoulder or elbow or wrist or arm?
Elbow, ma'am.
Elbow. Why is it elbow? Yeah, Adya.
Because, ma'am, because it can touch the shoulder, ma'am.
Okay, fine. It's just the joint that actually helps, similar to knee. Kicking is done with the toes, but it's the knee that actually helps the toes to do it. So similarly, it's the elbow. Okay. All right. Next person.
Ma'am, it's me. Anvit.
Yeah. One minute. The backbone is not a single bone. It's made up of how many tiny bones? Option A, 33. Option B, 34. Option C, 35. Option D, 36. 34, 35, 36. 33, 34, 35, 36.
Ma'am, is it 34?
34, okay. Next person who's after Anvit. Can you recheck his answer and tell me if it's correct?
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Ma'am,
Yeah,
I'm not sure. I'm saying 33.
33. Why? What makes you think it's 33?
Because I think it's 33.
So you didn't study, you just think.
No, I studied.
Okay, 33 is the correct answer. Very good. Okay, Anvit. So keep it in your mind. It's 33 bones that make up your vertebral column. That is your spinal cord. Okay. Okay. Next person. The longest bone in your body is the backbone, the hip bone, the forearm bone, or the thigh bone.
And the backbone.
The backbone. Okay. Next person. Is his answer correct?
No, ma'am.
Then what is the correct answer?
Ma'am, thigh bone.
Thigh bone. Very good. So it's the thigh bone that is the largest in your body. Okay, Darikeshwaran. I know it might look long, but your thigh bone is even longer. All right. So, next person.
Yes, ma'am.
The adult human has how many bones in their skeleton? No options.
Ma'am, is it 284?
284. 284 bones. No. Next person. After
Ma'am?
Advik. Yeah.
Wait, ma'am.
Ma'am?
Wait, let Adya answer Advika.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I think 208, ma'am.
208. Okay. Advika, is her answer correct?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, in the adult human skull, we have 22 bones.
22.
Ma'am, I think 20 or 22.
No, what happened? Body movements. So nobody knows about the bones then. Next
Ma'am,
person,
can I
after Advika. Yeah, sure.
Ma'am, 206.
206. Very good. Why, guys? What happened? This is the basic question.
Ma'am, you are asking about the skull?
I'm asking about the skeleton.
Ma'am, I heard it as skull.
Okay. Fine. So concentrate. Okay.
Ma'am,
Uh,
I have a doubt. Ma'am,
yeah.
how many bones does a skull have, ma'am?
Find it out. How many do you think? Approximate. How much
Ma'am,
do you think?
8. Ma'am, I think 8.
Ma'am,
What?
20.
So how many you say, Advika?
24.
20 to 22 somewhat.
Ma'am, 24.
24. Okay, Deepika, you want to give it a try? Is she there? Deepika?
Ma'am, she's nodding her head. It means no.
Ma'am, 6.
Okay. Adya, give it a try. How many bones? How many bones does the skull have? How many bones does a skull have?
It's confusing, ma'am.
Okay, fine. It's Advika told the correct answer. It's 22. It's not 8. Okay, there are 22 small bones that make up your whole skull. Okay, fine. Last question. Who's after? Wait, I'll just choose the person. Advika, can you answer?
Okay, ma'am.
The external pinna of your ear is a flexible structure that is made up of what? Is it a tendon or a ligament or a bone or a cartilage?
Ma'am, I don't know.
Okay. Instead, wait, I'll just tell the name. Tarakeshwaran?
Ma'am, cartilage.
Cartilage. Very good. Your ear pinna, that is the outer ear, is flexible. You can bend it, and the only flexible type of bone is cartilage. Okay. Okay, guys. Good for the day. We have one more chapter to revise, which we'll do it tomorrow. I'll give you all. Yes.
I have a doubt.
Yes.
Ma'am, in our ear, the outer ear, the lowest portion means it doesn't have any bone or muscles, right? The lowest.
There are muscles inside Advika. These muscles only will collect all the sound that is getting inputted inside your ear. So there are muscles inside your bone. Sorry,
No,
inside your ears.
I'm asking about the outer ear, the lowest portion. So it is very flexible.
I don't understand your question.
Ma'am, you can see the outer ear in that when you'll feel the lower portion, when you'll touch it, or like if you whatever you will do, like it is very flexible. So
Yeah.
it doesn't have any muscle or veins.
No, that is what I'm telling. It's made up of cartilage.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, the cartilage only makes it flexible. That is the answer. Okay, it's a connective tissue, a cartilage is. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, class. Tomorrow questions will be on motion and measurement. So it will basically be like a small class test. I'll give you all sums. I'll give you all 5 minutes to solve it. Okay, depending on how much time you need. Okay, but 5 minutes means 5 minutes or not more than that. So you need to solve it and you need to find the answers, and I'll ask you to answer it. All right, that's how it's
I'm
going
in
to
the
be
class itself.
in the class itself.
Ma'am,
All right,
what is the homework?
that is the homework. Sit and prepare. Do all the sums. Okay. So tomorrow, there's no skip. I don't know. There's no option for that. You need to solve it, and I need to see the work. I'll ask you to show your notebook in the camera. Okay. All right, class. All the best for tomorrow. Okay. And this yesterday you didn't have test because I didn't have any proper portion to complete for you all because I wasn't available on Tuesday and Wednesday because of Eid. So yeah, this Sunday you will definitely have a test. Okay, on all these 3 chapters. Okay, maybe tomorrow you'll have a test on motion measurement, and Wednesday we'll start with a new chapter. Okay, fine. All the best, guys. You can leave the class.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye
Bye,
bye.
ma'am.
Bye. Bye.
Ma'am, thank you, ma'am.
Bye. Bye. Thank you.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.